What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't get a chance to check out the video from yesterday, go ahead and check it out because it's pretty much part 2 of this video. Today we're going to be working on the extended cab. If you've seen that video, you know that we got all the parts ready for the extended cab, and that's where we're starting off today. We're gonna try to get the extended cab going. We're gonna try to finish it today, get it in working order. There shouldn't be any major problems other than that diff, so we're gonna jump into that today. But the video is gonna be a little bit different today, guys, since my neighbor is actually here and he has music going, and I don't want to get a copyright strike, so the recording is gonna be a little bit different, and hopefully we can work around it. If not, I'll try to figure out a way or somehow. But for now, guys, we're gonna do it like that, and we're gonna jump right in it, and we're gonna do the extended cab. Then we have to do a little bit of maintenance on the single cab, and if we have any time left, we're gonna go ahead and do the Trailblazer, the intake. I got everything already situated, and hopefully we have enough time for everything. But first thing first, guys, I want to thank everybody for commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I know it's not a lot of subscribers or anything like that, but I'm still satisfied for what I got, and I want to go ahead and thank y'all for everything. And y'all stay tuned, guys. There's gonna be a lot more coming. I want to get the extended cab going so we can start on the build, and I want y'all guys to let me know what y'all want to see on that truck. What kind of rims, should we change the front end, should we do an HD front, little stuff like that. I want to build this truck for y'all guys, so y'all hit me up, let me know what y'all think. Let me know any suggestions, any comments that y'all have, and shit, if we can do it, we'll do it. And if we can't, we'll get close to it. But let's go ahead and get this video started, and hopefully y'all enjoy. So y'all stay tuned, y'all don't go nowhere. Let's do this. slap everything back on. There's really nothing much to it. It's getting kind of late, and I need to get this done, so I probably won't record. And if I do, I'm gonna just go ahead and time lapse it real quick, get it out the way. Yeah, guys. So we still got to put the door panel, the window regulator, and the top piece dash, and it's getting kind of late, like I said. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. So yeah. Alright, guys, I almost forgot to show y'all this, but look at all this metal shaving on the differential cap. The differential cap has a magnet, and look at all that metal shavings. Look at all that gunk. That's all metal shavings. Yeah, don't forget to clean the cap as well. You have to clean it real good, because all that stuff will ruin your differential again. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. I'm cleaning it off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the calipers, put the calipers back on. I actually got the brakes for the back, so I'm gonna do the brakes and put the calipers back on, put the oil, and then we're gonna be able to test drive it, see how it goes. So yeah, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. We got it done. She's sitting on the ground already. The moment of truth has come. Alright, guys, so we took her for a ride. She actually feels pretty good, pretty strong. Right now my girl is helping me change out the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and put the window regulator in, and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the finished product, because I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to switch out the dash and put a window regulator. You know, it's very, very simple. I want to go ahead and get it done, because I want to go ahead and head out already. Been here all day, kind of frustrated. The differential did take a little bit longer than I expected, but it's all good. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all right now when I'm done, the complete interior, and we'll go from there, guys. Alright, guys, so we ended up finishing the Stanley cab. I'm not all the way done with it, but I got the dash in, the door panel, the window regulator, and the gears done. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Alright, guys, that's the dash swapped over, and the door panel, they kind of match. It's off a little bit, but I ain't worried about it. I'm taking off the aftermarket alarm since it was messing with the truck, but she's pretty much done. I'm gonna finish her up tomorrow and give y'all an update. So I'm gonna give you an update tomorrow, guys, on what's going on. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If you have any comments, any questions, suggestions, drop them down in the comment section. I'm gonna go ahead and link my Facebook and my Instagram on the link. And y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if y'all didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave you with this.